For today, we are going to discuss number 7 and 8 for your chapter 7 workbook, because last time we haven't finished lah. Okay, number 7, let's see. Chemical digestion of protein takes place in stomach and small intestine. So you have two sites for digestion of protein. And then this one is chemical. Chemical digestion means that we need enzyme for proteins lah. So enzymes break down protein into the monomer. What is the monomer of protein? Into amino acids. Okay. When food enters the stomach, it is mixed with gastric juice. So, state the term to describe this mixture. So this one is food plus gastric juice. So this one we call it as chyme. Chyme. Wait. Should be chyme lah. Chyme. This one is an important word. Okay, B. Proteases are enzymes that are involved in chemical digestions of protein. Okay, so proteases. We have two types of proteins. So one is for stomach and one is for small intestine. This one, to be specific, is the duodenum. Of the small intestine. So this one, for stomach part, we need it in acidic condition. And then this one is in slightly alkaline. So this one should be, for acidic lah, should be pepsin. And then small intestine, the duodenum part one, should be trypsin. So, describe the chemical digestions of proteins in the stomach and small intestine. Okay, we will have how to describe. We say that one is for stomach and one is for small intestine. Actually, we already have the points over here, just that we have to write it in a sentence. So this one, write the answer. In the stomach, pepsin enzyme breaks down proteins into peptides. So they break down into peptides first, and then after that only break down again into a further breakdown into amino acids. So, and then small intestines. This one is in the and then trypsin enzyme breaks down peptides into amino acids, like that. Okay, next. Enzymes work best in their optimum temperature. Okay, optimum means that the best temperature lah. In table 7.1 states the enzyme involved in chemical digestions of protein with their respective optimum pH. Okay, so this one, we already know the two enzymes, pepsin and trypsin. So, pepsin, trypsin. Okay, pepsin is in the optimum condition. pH is actually 2. Trypsin is slightly alkaline. Wait, let me check again. This one slightly alkaline, so it's 8. Okay, and then let's continue. E. Explain what happens to enzyme and pH are too high or too low. Okay. This one is, we can say it as extreme pH. So this one when the pH is too extreme the enzymes are actually proteins So in extreme conditions proteins will denature. When denature occurs, the shape of the bonds will change So enzymes the most important part for enzymes will be active site. That's why this one is related to chapter 4 and chapter 5. So let's write the answer. Enzymes denature and pH is too high or too low. This one you will get your first point from denature. And then after that, this changes the shape of its active site. Causing substrates. Substrate means the substance that will be binding to the active site to be unable to fit into the active site and then and hence the reactions stop. So this one is 2 mark. First mark denature and then change shape of active site. Actually you can get extra points. Substrates unable to fit into the active site and then reaction stops. Actually you can get 4 marks from this answer. Okay, number 8. Figure 8.1 shows the emulsification of fat molecules in human digestion. So emulsification basically is the large fat molecules, they will break them down into small droplets. So this one, 8. Describe the emulsification process. So we have to describe the process, not define already. So this one, what substance actually emulsifies it? it is actually bile. And then bile breaks up large fat molecules into smaller droplets. And then the surface area of small fat droplets increase. And then for enzyme activity, in chemical digestion. Okay, let me on the lights first. Okay, so your first mark will be at bile, and then breaks up large molecules into smaller droplets. Basically your whole first line lah. And then after that, surface area increase, must write. And then for enzyme activity in chemical digestion, actually you can get 3 marks lah from here. Okay, state the name of organ where emulsification of fat takes place. So this one is actually liver. Explain the benefits. So this one they ask you the benefits. The other way of asking that you can write the same answer lah, is actually importance or function or purpose. So this one, it is actually to increase the surface area for enzyme activity. Look, so this one increases the surface area of lipid for activity of, okay, what is the enzyme for lipid? Lipase. So lipase enzyme. So how to actually find the name of the enzyme? Actually this one we already learned in chapter 5 lah. So lipid, we take out the last 2 alphabet and then we replace it to lipase at ESE. Just like that. Okay, state the organ where bile is produced. So this one, bile is actually produced in liver, and then after that it is stored in gallbladder. Okay, E. State the 2 main roles of bile in human digestion. So 2 importance, 2 main functions, same thing lah. So this one is to break up large droplets of fat molecules into smaller droplets, or you can straight away write to emulsify lipid molecules. And then second one, what else? To neutralize food that enters small intestine from the stomach. So these are the two main roles lah. Okay, last part. Accumulation of cholesterol in gallbladder and bile ducts leads to formation of gallstones. Okay. Flow of bile into alimentary canal is blocked by gallstones. Explain how gallstones affect the digestion of fats. So the gallstone will block the flow of bile. So if bile is blocked, so no bile will be secreted into. Actually, not no lah. There is still bile, but depends on the blockage lor. If it's partial blockage, then less bile will be secreted. If it's complete blockage, then no bile will be secreted. So this one, less or no bile will be secreted into the small intestine. And then the other one. Next point is emulsification of fat is reduced. Just like that. We can add one more or two more points. So this one, because the emulsification of fat is reduced already ma. So smaller surface area for lipase activities, and then digestion of lipids becomes slower. So just like that, and that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.